So today, guys, we are opening a Pokemon Lost Origin ETB. I pretty much opened it all and just saved the packs for you guys. I want to sort the packs. So we got 2 of each. Okay, interesting. Let's start with Hisui's Zoroark. I'm showing you every code card as well. Pretty bad at opening these packs. So sorry. Okay. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Dark Energy, Stunfisk, Seviper, Seja, Inkay, Paris, Spinarak, Phidion, Blipbug, a Reverse Electric, and Machamp Hollow. Okay, next let's go with Enamorus. We're gonna end up with the Giratina. On. My friend also has opened an ETB, but he's opened a Fusion Strike. I've opened a Lost Origin and I forgot the code card. Yeah. But I've opened a Lost Origin and a Pokemon Go ETB, which are definitely better ETBs than Fusion Strike. Okay, Electric Energy, Electric, Sagu, Box of Disaster, Murkrow, Electric, Makuhita, Antep, Student Basculin, Reverse Kumi, and a non-holo Parasect. Let's go with the Shiny Gardevoir. I believe you can get Shinies out of this set as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm like 30% sure. Come on! Open already. So I'm really bad at opening these. I'll open the way I open them normally. Let's clean this. Okay. We got black borders. Getting something. Good card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is my first This is my first of these. First of these. We'll put that there because it's my first. Abomasnow, Gift Energy, Fantina, Horsey, Murkrow, Rhyhorn, Wurmple, Gligar, Wind-Up Arm, and we got a Hisuian Zoroark V-Star. Nice. Look at this. I'm sleeving that up. That is cool. You gotta open the sleeve pack. Oh yeah, if you wonder what the sleeves look like this. Gold from the back. Gold. But we got a V-Star. Nice. Yeah. First drill hit of the day. 3 packs in here, and put the packs here and put the hits here. Okay, we got a Hisuian Zoroark V-Star. Now let's end off batch 1 with the Giratina. This is so cool. I never thought I would get more than 1 ETB in my life, but that happened. Okay. Only got a code card. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy. Machoke. Garage Gate. Luminion. Love Disc. Electrike. Sudowoodo. Phantom. Pikachu. Reverse Carbink. And Rhyperior. Okay, now going in reverse again. Starting off with Zoroark. Lost Origin definitely one of my favorite sets. My 3 favorite sets are Lost Origin, Evolving Skies, and Pokemon Go. And if you're wondering, those are my favorite sets. Because that's where I've gotten the most hits out of. By the way, my friend got a Pokemon Go ETB, and he got the rarest card in the entire set. He got the alternate art Mewtwo. Yes, he got it. Like, for real, that's crazy. Gashnod, Loom, Toolbox, Horsey, Seedot, Dynamo, Wurmple, Shuppet. Ooh, first Radiant. We got a Radiant Hisuian Sneasler. Nice. And a Landorus. Sleeving the Sneasler up. I really love the gold sleeves. The gold sleeves are cool. So you got a Radiant and a V-Star. Nice. Namorous. Get to the last packs here. I don't know why we haven't gotten a V yet, but we got a V-Star and a Radiant. Like, a V is definitely not that rare. Bro, we got a 3 white code cards in a row. How is that even possible? I thought I saw something black. Okay. Energy, Stotler, Damage Pump, Apom, Inkay, Porygon, Roselia, Clefairy, Fast from JTV, Zoroark, Reverse, and a Raichu non-hollow. Okay. Second to last pack. Here we go. Come on. Get it open. I'm not getting too hype about any of these cards because I don't know their actual value. It's kind of bad that I don't know if I have like a $50 card right in front of me. We've gotten 4 in a row. What the hell is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've gotten 4 in a row. What the hell is this? Like Authority, Manchow, Misfortune Sisters, Watchop, Shuppet, Seal, Rockruff, Zelia. What? We got is this a Trader Gallery Pikachu VMAX? Yo, look at that! I didn't know this card was even in the set. And greeted. Okay. Let's hope we get something also good in the guaranteed pack. So we've got 3 hits right now. Zoroark V-Star. Wait, let me just show you. These are the hits we've gotten right now. Pretty good lineup. And last pack. Oh, I actually opened it that way. Wow. The pack. Ooh, we got a black coat. Oh, we got a black one. Oops. Good card. Last pack magic here. Come on, last pack magic. Energy. Koala. No, Komala, sorry. Carbink. Lost City. Ducklet. Porygon. Binacle. Shellos. Mawile. Hisui Basculate, and a Hisuian Goodra V. I'm actually using this in the game. Pokemon Legends Arceus. I'm actually using this. Named it Stronghold right now, level 72, I believe. And in the game, I have 3 shinies, not transferred from any different game. And by the way, yes, I have Shaman. So I had Pokemon Sword. So in 8 packs, we got 4 hits. We got Hisuian Gudra V, Pikachu Trainer Gallery V Max, his Radiant Hisuian Sneasler, and a Hisuian Zoroark V-Star. Well, that was a good video, and see y'all next time. Bye.